Let us see a few set-like operations that you can apply for dictionaries. First, the pipe operator, which will help you to merge two dictionaries. This is kind of similar to how union of two sets work. Let me declare marks 1 and marks 2, and now let me apply the pipe operator between these two. So you get a merged dictionary as the output. The key order of the output dictionary would be the same as keys seen in marks 1 followed by marks 2. When a key is seen in both the dictionaries, you will get the value of the second dictionary. In other words, the keys are updated to the new value during the merge. So for example, Rahul is seen only once in marks 1, so the same value is seen in the output. Ravi is seen in both the dictionaries. So first it is applied to 92. During the merge, the value 100 will overwrite the earlier value, and so on. So you get a new dictionary as the output. This pipe operator was introduced in 3.9 version. If you have an earlier version, you can use unpacking. So double star followed by the dictionary name. So in earlier versions of Python, you can use unpacking. If you want to update this dictionary itself with new values from marks 2, you can use the update method. So marks 1 itself is updated with the merged output. Let me declare these dictionaries again. The keys method gives you the keys of that particular dictionary. This is a custom set like object. Similarly, if you use the values method, you get a set like object with the values present in that particular dictionary. Now you can apply all the set operators on these objects. So let us quickly see few examples. So let's see union of two sets. So this will give you unique keys from both the dictionaries. If you want to see the common keys, you can use the intersection operator. The minus operator will give you the difference. So key is present in marks 1 but not in marks 2. So only Rahul is present in marks 1. Ravi and Rohit are both present in marks 2, so that is not part of the output. If you change the order, you will get the keys which are unique to marks 2. And finally, if you apply symmetric difference, you will get all the keys which are present in one of the dictionaries but not in both. So Joe and Rahul. So these three keys are present in only one of the two dictionaries. So we have seen how we can apply set operators on these set like objects.